Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Belza Janvi. Hi, my name is Janvi and I post makeup and fashion related videos on this channel. Today's topic is all about the winter makeup look. If you want to know some hits and tricks about the winter makeup look, so keep watching this video. Now before moving towards the video, I'll request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Just because it's a winter, we have to moisturize our face very well. So for the moisturizer, I am using Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It is a 24 hours moisturizer lock, something like that. It has a milk like consistency, not that थिक कि ये स्प्रेड ना हो पा रहा हो, बहुत इजीली स्प्रेड हो जाता है. मैंने इसको ऑलरेडी लगा चुकी हूँ, तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो यू दैट हाउ टू अप्लाई इट, एंड वी ऑल नो हाउ टू अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइजर. आफ्टर दिस द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू प्रेप योर लिप्स. सो फॉर प्रेपिंग माई लिप्स आई एम यूजिंग लैक्मे लिप लव, समथिंग लाइक इट इज इन द शेड मैंगो. I love this. It stays, it will keep moisturize your lips almost 4 to 5 hours. It will not, your lips will not look chapped lips like. Please remember, you have to moisturize your skin and your lips too. Do not skip this step in winters because it is very important. Otherwise it will look chapped types and your skin will look very dry, and there will be a patches of foundation on your face. So try to keep it much more moisturized. Dry skin type of people can use one hack. What you have to do, you can take a small amount of moisturizer in your hand. The quantity of foundation you can choose according to your face. Just mix it up. Even after moisturizing, I am saying you, just mix it up and then apply to your face. It will help you out. It will not let your face dry. So yes, you can do this hack from my side. The primer, I am using Stay Quickie primer. As I already told you that I have oily skin, that's why I am using the product which suits to my skin. So this is a gel based primer, and I am taking this little tiny amount and I'll apply on my face, especially this my nose and cheek areas where the pores are much more open. Otherwise, I don't know whether you can see or not, but I have a open pores over here and here. You have to apply it all over the face. If you want to apply, just apply over there where your pores are very open. Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with aloe vera and vitamin E of Swiss Beauty, and this you can use before the makeup also and after the makeup also. So I'm just using this all over my face. I'll give some time to settle it down. After that, I will apply my concealer and all. So once the primer is set, you are good to go with the things, because after this, your moisturizer and your primer is locked into your skin. For the dry skin people, it will not dry your skin, and for the oily skin people, it will not excrete the oil from your skin. So yeah, after this you will good to go for your foundation or base thing. So for the base thing, I am using my Nykaa concealer, that is in the shade 02. To British skin people can use it like me. So I am just hiding my under eye area, so इसमें कोई dark circles वगैरह दिखाई ना दे. You can also do that. And while you are hiding your under eye area, to just hide your dark circles and all, just take some concealer and pat it up this on the eyelid of your eyes, क्योंकि इसके बाद ना आपका कोई भी आई शेडो आप लगाओगे वो बहुत easily blend हो जाएगा. तो you can do that. The concealer in my crevices area also, क्योंकि this area also becomes black just because of the dark blackheads and all. So I have a oily skin and I face this type of problem. Dry skin people can skip this step because might be they are not facing all this problem. Any loose powder or compact powder, you have to bake like this. Just take lots and lots of compact and then just bake it like this. You don't have to drag the powder, just press it down. क्योंकि after this whenever you are applying a eyeshadow ना, तो अगर कोई भी fall out होता है तो उसको easily आप remove कर सकते हो. You can do like this. Using Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and in the shade it is Reloaded Marvelous Mattes. Okay, the eyeshadow palette look like this, and the shade which I am using from here is this one. It's a neutral shade and very much matching to my skin tone, so I'll use this just for my transition shade. And transition shade is always applied and all over your eyes. देखो ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल है तो वीडियो थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा. डू नॉट गेट बोर. अपना चिप्स, चाय, पानी जो भी लेके बैठना बैठ जाओ. लेकिन हाँ, भी आई शेडो लगा रहे हो ना तो हमेशा आउटर साइड से, इस साइड में पहले डैब कर लो उसको. जस्ट डैब इट लाइक दिस एंड देन स्टार्ट ब्लेंडिंग. हमेशा आउटर एरिया से स्टार्ट ब्लेंडिंग करो एंड देन गो स्लोली टू द इनर एरिया. Why I am using white eyeshadow? Because I have to use the matte colors. So when I just apply a white eyeshadow now, after that I am using any vibrant color, it will be very much visible in the camera and it will look vibrant to you all, and you can understand it which color I have used. I am done with my white eyeshadow. Now I am going to use this pink shade. This is a mauvey pink shade, and I think it will go perfectly with this sweatshirt. So yes, I am using this. Matte color takes too much of time to blend, so do not lose your patience कि अरे ये तो blend ही नहीं हो रहा है. Just keep patience and keep it on blending, क्योंकि जब आप blend करते हो, as much you blend your eyeshadow will look that flawless. Always try to hold the brush from this end. Okay, do not hold the brush so nearly because you will not be able to blend your eyeshadow properly. So whenever you are holding a brush, hold the brush from this end. This Swiss Beauty palette 02, I am taking this darker pink shade to make it more darker because I want that vibrant look on my face. So yes, though it has a lots of fallout, that's why I have just tapped the brush once. See this, see the magic of this now. I'll just take some concealer. I'm not doing any cut crease and all, do not worry about it. I'm just taking little bit of concealer. I will just cover this part. This much part. Use this blue shade from the Swiss Beauty palette 02, and I am going to apply this shade with the help of my finger because this time the finger will do the magic. Okay, yes, this kind of thing which I was wanting. Oh my god, shimmery shade, can you see that? Such a beautiful shade it is. Oh, I am loving it. I made a right decision, I think. कुछ तूफानी करने का मन ना हमेशा कर ही जाता है. Now just blend it so that there will be a no harsh line and it will seems like that it has been blended properly. Oh my god, can you see that? Just see the difference after the blending. If you will just leave it like, see this eye and this eye, how does it look? It will not look good at all. So try to blend after applying it. And slowly. This blue shade and this pink shade from the Swiss Beauty palette I've used. And look, I've mixed both the color and then I am putting it in my lower lash line. I'm done with this. Let me pat myself first. Good work. Okay, now, okay, my child. Going to apply some mascara, lots of mascara, not some mascara. This is a Faces Canada mascara in the shade black. A little bit of inner corner highlighting. So for that, I'm using this silvery shimmery shade from the Swiss Beauty palette. I think it will go perfectly with my eyeshadow. I'm using Nykaa Skin Shield foundation today. I don't know why. I'm feeling like to use it. That's why I'm using it. And I'll take this much only. And as you know, it's a winter going on, so I'll just add a little bit of my moisturizer to it to give it a light, dewy and juicy look. And I'll mix it properly. And I'll apply this with my finger only. In winters, do not apply too much of compact powder or loose powder because it will dry your skin. So only apply with the area you excrete oil much. So yes, I'm done. And for my highlighting, I'm using the same concealer. And for contouring part, I'm using Wet n Wild contour palette. For this, I'm using this brush, this fluffy brush, and I'll just try to contour. Let's see. Yeah, this brush will work much better. Applying a foundation, do not forget to brush it into your hairlines. क्योंकि क्या होता है, आफ्टर वंस यू आर डन विद योर मेकअप एंड वंस यू विल गो फॉर द पिक्चर्स एंड ऑल ना, तो आपका ये जो एरिया होता है ना, वो बहुत डिफरेंस लगता है इस एरिया से इस एरिया से. तो व्हेनेवर यू आर ब्लेंडिंग अ फाउंडेशन, ऑलवेज कीप इन योर माइंड दैट यू हैव टू ब्लेंड इनसाइड योर हेयर लाइन टू. Lots of blusher, and I'm using Swiss Beauty blush palette. From this, I'm taking this dark pink shade, and I'll just look at the quantity I'm using in this. So from the same Swiss Beauty palette, this silver highlighting highlighter I'll use to highlight my highlighting point, like my nose, my cheekbones. Apply the lipstick. The lipstick which I'm using, it's a Maybelline crayon, and it's in the shade, once I will confirm, I'll just drop the link in the description box because I'm very much confused right now. This is a mauvey nude pinky shade with the tint of brown. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video, and if you do not forget to hit the like button so that you will keep boosting my confidence. And yes, do follow me on my Instagram page, that is Belza Janvi. We'll meet in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye.